I was working at a private equity firm as an operating partner, and I was growing and working for a lot of other industries and realized there's a massive opportunity in the pool service industry. About a year ago, I was looking for companies that in industries that had recurring revenue. I came across a video on your website and I saw Charles speaking about all the opportunities in such a fragmented industry, and that one video got me interested in pool service. I've actually purchased a few companies' pool routes through National Pool Route Sales. One, because I think you guys are the industry leader. You guys were honest, ethical, you knew your stuff, very well prepared. Helped me find a business that was well tailored to what I was looking for. And then tremendous amount of expertise to help me, once I had the company, derive more profitability out of it. It was my first seminar with Charles at the Millionaire Pool Man. I expected good things. I came away even more impressed than I'd imagined. Different ways to improve my business. Some simple things about where the industry is right now and where it's going and how I can differentiate myself and work a little bit less and make more money. I would highly recommend National Pool Route Sales, and especially Charles Baird and his team, because they're good people and they help you find a great business, and it's a great opportunity that people need to pay attention to. One of the other things I really like is I have a business background. I have an MBA. I've looked at lots of other businesses. I don't personally service most of the pools myself. I'm a business guy that runs a pool service business, and I love that about the pool industry, and Charles helps me get there.